Hey guys, Mark here with another dose of elephant wisdom. It is Friday, February 18th, a little bit later than my earlier post. Earlier I looked at Ethereum. That's the chart I have up now. We talked about this triangle or this wedge, and we were hoping it would stay in there. It was a pretty hastily drawn wedge, but again, we see a lot of our indicators, convergence coming down here into the wedge, so there's going to be some big things moving. But the purpose of this video is looking at my charts here just a little bit ago. There are only 4 coins that would meet our expectations at the moment. So these are trades that I would say I could get in now and still feel okay about it, and there's not too many. The first one is Near Protocol. That was our coin of the day the other day, a couple days ago. But what we've seen here, even with the market drop, of course, is Near came down to our baseline. So that is the bottom level of our elephant trinity of indicators, and it's held thus far. So this would be an actual pretty good buying opportunity right now. If you want to get scale into a little bit of Near, long term, I think it's a good project. So definitely something I'm keeping an eye on, but this would be something at the moment. Of course, if it loses this white line, our baseline, we will be out of that trade pretty quickly. Even though we do have a little support here, I wouldn't screw around with it at all in these conditions. So any drop there, I would be out ASAP. The second one that we can get into would be the Sandbox. We've talked about this before, and we see this in a little better position than Near, as far as it's a little bit over our white baseline. So we are looking for that again to hold, and again, not a bad time to get into that. Let's see, believe it or not, our favorite little doggy, Shiba Inu, that is also holding up pretty well. So we see the 1, 2, 3 stacked indicators. We're still holding on the baseline, so this would actually be one that you could get into. And the fourth one, and maybe the best one, best for last, is Avalanche. So we see that over the baseline. We see confluence of 2 indicators there of the elephant trinity. Those are, well, I guess they'd have to be twice as powerful, wouldn't they? So hopefully that holds, but I could definitely see this if the market gets some infusion of capital, taking a big jump up as well. So again, a quick recap: we have Avalanche here, the Sandbox still above our white, Shiba Inu still above our white, and then we have Near Protocol, which is still hanging on above our white. So just wanted to share that with you. Happy trading, happy purchasing, and we will talk to you soon. This is Mark signing out.